Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download training achievements from IBM SkillsBuild for LinkedIn. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download your training achievements from IBM SkillsBuild for LinkedIn, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the IBM SkillsBuild website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the menu at the top of the page. Click on your profile icon or name to access your profile page. On your profile page, find the section labeled Achievements or Certificates. Click on this section to view your list of completed training courses and achievements. Select the specific achievement or certificate you wish to download. Look for an option or button that says Download, Save, or Export. Click on this option to initiate the download process. The achievement will be saved as a PDF or image file on your device. Open the downloaded file to ensure it's saved correctly. Next, log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture at the top of the screen. Scroll down to the Licenses and Certifications section. Click on the Add button to input your new achievement. Fill in the required fields, including the name of the certificate and issuing organization. Upload the PDF or image file you downloaded from IBM SkillsBuild. Double-check to ensure all information is accurate. Finally, click Save to add your training achievement to your LinkedIn profile. Your training achievement is now visible on your LinkedIn profile for others to see. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.